bindi. Now it's making our eyes. Now it's making our going out of the thing. So friends, you will see now we have created our Ganesh using the Python by using the module Turtle.
Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are safe and sound. First, happy Ganesh Chaturthi to everyone. And in today's video, let us make a Ganesh picture using Python. Surprised? Yes, you heard it right. Let us make a Ganesh picture using Python Turtle module.
So now let's open up Python. Okay, so let's create a new project. Okay. So in this video, we are going to import one built-in function, another built-in function called turtle. So this turtle is a drawing function. That means it does graphics here, so we could draw anything, etc. So let's also make our Ganesha using this. Okay, so it is. So we got our main.py. Now these are our imports. So let's import turtle as t. Now these are going to be our variables. So first let's create a screen variable. So t, as we had imported as t dot screen, as we need the screen now. So screen, a variable called Ganesh. So this will draw. Okay, we'll make this draw. So t dot here. For this, for the screen. So screen dot title. Let's keep it as Ganesh drawing. Okay. So now our next one is screen dot main loop. So we have to loop the screen, that's why. So now we have taken our imports, our variables. So now let's start coding. So first let's make a pentagon. Let's make the pentagon. So pentagon. So this screen.main loop will always be at the last, as we are looping everything what is going on here. So we need this screen.main loop at the last element. So first, so here let's use the Ganesh variable. Ganesh dot. You will see many variables came, and then there's some many options came. Object. So First, now let's run the selfie and see the position of it. You would see this arrow, isn't it? Now this arrow is pointing to our right. If we need a pentagon, we need our sides to be like this. So for that, let us move this to the angle like this. So we are going to move it to angle 130. So to do that, turtle doesn't have any angle variable for that, but it does have a left and right options for this. So Ganesh dot left, as we want this to turn left like this. So now it's like this. It's going to turn like this. So for this, we are going to keep angle. So our angle is equal to 130. Okay. For us now. So now, as if you would see, the arrow would turn like this to the angle we have given. So let's just give a shape to this. The shape means the arrow we have seen, isn't it? Like that, turtle has many shapes. So I would like to recommend the funniest one, the turtle itself. Okay, so now let's turn this. See, it turns into a turtle. See, so now we have a turtle moving this side. That's what we need. So now let us move it. How to move it? Let's see. So Ganesh dot. So now we need Ganesh dot forward. So you would see here. You will see forward. So forward means it will start drawing in how much of a distance we give. The distance won't be in kilometers, neither meters, neither centimeters, but it'll be in pixels. So if you keep 1 pixel, it'll be smaller than a nail size. So for let's keep our distance. So distance is equal to 55. Okay, so it'll move like this until 55 pixels. So if we see now, run it and see, you'll see now, you could see, it moves like this. So let's keep this Ganesh dot shape in the starting. Let's keep this in the starting with screen dot shape. Now let me run it. We'll start with, you could see, so it from there it turned like so it'll be in the starting point. From here it turned like this 130 degrees angle, then it went straight 55 pixels front. Okay, so now let's move another one, Ganesh dot. So first forward. Now we have to move another angle now. So for that, now we'll use the right one, as we need to move to the right side. So we need 90 degrees right. So one side will be like this, tilted one. So it was like this, 130 degrees right turn, and then we'll have a 90 degrees turn. So we need a like this, and it'll have a 90 degrees turn. So it's pointing upwards like. So now it'll go forward. So Ganesh dot forward. Okay. We need now 70. As this is a pentagon, we need more top side, as we need the bottom part as well. So 70. So Ganesh go forward 70. So 70 pixels will move forward. So next, this is going to turn Ganesh dot right. Okay. So Ganesh dot right is equal to 65. Now we are going to change it to 65 pixels. That means it will turn 65 degrees. Yeah. So Ganesh dot. So now let's go forward. So now let's go 70 for this, as we gave 70 here. So it's okay if you don't keep the distance also. Okay. So now Ganesh dot. Now let's turn right 80 degrees. Okay. 80. Ganesh dot forward 55, as we need a 55 forward, as on the top we gave 55 as the distance. Both should be equal. So next is Ganesh dot right. Let's take another right turn again. 70. So we are going to take a right turn 70, and then Ganesh dot forward 66. Now let's run this and check. Hey, our pentagon is over. Chick, 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 chick. Okay. Now this is going to be the crown part of our Ganesh. So our crown part of the Ganesh is over. So now let's go to the next one. Let's do pen up. So with that pen up, the pen will go up and nothing will be written on the screen, or else you will have many lines on the picture in case you don't do pen up option. So Ganesh dot pen up. So you will see pen up and pen down. So when your pen up option, so this doesn't take any input, so we could leave it. Ganesh dot. So as our pen is up, we could do anything. So let's move forward. 10 pixels. So now the black imprint won't be left as the pen is up. So pen is up, it moves 10 pixels, and then if we put pen down, it starts writing. So now now we need left now. Ganesh dot left. So we need the 90 degrees. We should now we don't need the last side. Now we keep range 3, and then we can keep G dot left. Sorry, Ganesh dot left. So Ganesh dot left 90, as this will have a 90 degrees turn. And then Ganesh dot forward. Ganesh dot forward is equal to 90. 90s and 90s, yeah. Now let's run this and see. Hey, could you see? Our square is also over. Now let us see now how to do the rectangles. Now we need 2 rectangles for the ears. So we are going to make 2 rectangles for the ears. This is simple but not copy pasting, okay? We don't copy paste for this, okay? So now let's see. So first let's make a small bunch of code like this. So first we need Ganesh dot pen up. As we are going to take a pen up now, we need a pen up now. Now Ganesh dot. So now we need to move forward. So what happens actually here is that when we were seeing the point on the top was shooting. So Ganesh dot forward then, and now let's pen down. So that's it. We need to move a little bit now. Okay. So this is going to be a rectangle one. As there are going to be 2 rectangles and we need to color each of them. Let's segregate both of them as different. Okay. So rectangle 1 is equal to first that means we have to do 2 times this. So now let's run this and see what happens. So rectangle 1 will be ready like this. You could see here, one ear of Ganesh is ready. So now let's make the other ear now. Dot backward. Now it's going to be. Let's run this. Now let's go to our next one, our eyes. So eye. Dot circle. Let's run this. Made the crown, face, ears, made the bindi, eye 1, eye 2. We made our eyes. Now we just have to make our nose. So our nose is going to be like an elephant. So from here, we'll move from this like this, even straight there. Let's execute that. So let's just execute our code. So the ears, bindi, eyes. That's it. That's our outline. Now let's color it. So for this, we'll use the color option, begin fill and end fill. So we have taken these, we have done these variables blue, white, red, black and yellow. So here we'll use blue for the crown and then white for the bindi and then red for the ears and the nose and then black for the eyes and then yellow for the square face. Okay. We are going to do Ganesh dot color. So in this we'll fill both our things as we need both the line color and the fill color. Though there will be options like fill color and line color, here we will use the option color. So we need this one as blue. So we'll have blue, comma, blue. That's it. Now Ganesh dot begin fill. There will be one option called begin fill. So see, not this begin fill, this begin fill, and then this Ganesh dot end fill. So and fill. So for these bunch of codes, we are not going to give them the begin fill and end fill. Okay, so the square. So this one like this. Here, bindi. Now it's making our eyes. Now it's making our, and it's going out of the thing. So friends, you will see now we have created our Ganesh using the Python by using the module Turtle.
Friends, I hope you learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up and to encourage me to do videos like this. And do hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel. And click the notification bell to get notifications whenever I upload my latest videos. Okay friends,